430, 21, 96,000 hertz, 64-bit recording for EVP. Chrissy Howe speaking out to Tone. About 1/4 through this recording, she just said, is there a way you can reach out to me? Maybe you can greet me the way we used to talk to each other. I'll play her words in a second. This is the first EVP. There's a lot of EVPs throughout this whole thing, but since this is the first unnatural sound, I'm going to go zoom in on it. I hope it's accurate. I'm not sure if he's saying my love or high love, but this is what it sounds like to me. I'm just going to play it and let you hear it. This is Chrissy's voice. Slow down and increase frequency. I'll speed it up.
Maybe do that, Tone. Show how we used to greet each other. Maybe do that.